Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 2nd of December. First of all, national news. Delimitation Commission empowered to redraw Jammu and Kashmir constituencies. Center to court. Anti-conversion law to be enforced strictly in Uttarakhand. Chief Minister. India assumed presidency of UN Security Council for December. Two tigers found dead in 24 hours in Maharashtra's Tadoba Andhari Reserve. Warmer winter likely in northwest India, Weather Department. Delhi University received nearly 4,000 applications for paid internship scheme. Over 6 lakh to appear for IGNOU December term end exam. Kerala police file case against Bishop over Adani port protest. Fishermen in Tamil Nadu rescue dolphins stuck in fishing net. Tamil Nadu online gambling ban bill. Law Minister met Governor clarifies. NRI forget jewelry worth rupees 1 crore in Noida cab. Got it back in 4 hours. WhatsApp banned over 23 lakh accounts in India in October. Proactively barred 8.1 lakh users. IIT Kanpur launched new e-masters degree in data science business analytics to enhance domain expertise. Maharashtra's play in Supreme Court not valid. Karnataka Chief Minister. Sanjay Malhotra took charge as Revenue Secretary. PM Modi called for record voting in Gujarat. India took over G20 presidency. PM called for mindset shift. Delhi saw minimum temperature of 8.3 degrees. Air quality remains very poor. No 5G base stations near airports, center to telecom providers. And now some international news. NATO trying to drag India into anti-Russian alliance, foreign minister. World AIDS Day. Within 20 years, more than 33 million individuals had contracted HIV. Indonesia families sue government over deaths linked to cough syrup. SpaceX again delayed Japan's plan to launch world's first private moon lander. Elon Musk is also planning to up Twitter's character limit from 280 to 1000. China likely to relax zero COVID restrictions after nationwide protest. An environmental protest group called Tire Extinguishers claimed to have deflated close to 900 SUVs and 4x4s worldwide. Google Doodle honored Jerry Lawson, the inventor of video game cartridges. And now some sports news. Vijay Hazare Trophy final, it's Gaikwad versus Unadkat as Maharashtra met Saurashtra. England pulverized Pakistan, became first team to score 500 runs on day one of a test. Bangladesh skipper Tamim Iqbal ruled out of India ODIs. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty end at record closing highs rally for 8th day. Rupee ended 8 paise higher to close at 81.22 against US dollar. GST revenues rose 11% to rupees 1.46 lakh crore in November. RBI expected to raise rate to 6.25% in December, a report said. Manufacturing activities in India reached 3-month high, boosted by exports, new orders. US Fed's Powell rate hike to slow but adjustment just beginning. SEBI permitted brokers to extend margin trading facility to equity ETFs. And now news from science and technology. Neuralink expected to begin human clinical trials in 6 months, Elon Musk said. NASA Artemis 1 Flight Day 15 Orion capsule go for distant retrograde orbit departure. Supermassive black hole violently ripped star apart, launch relativistic jet toward Earth. And that's all in news. Thank you.